In this video, I'll show you how to make Robux in Roblox. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. I really do appreciate it. And let's go and get straight into this guide. These methods of making Robux are in no particular order as well, so do watch this video right until the end so you hear them all. So the first method I want to show you is about creating a game. So games can create so much Robux, it's absolutely insane. You are going to need a computer for this, so if you don't have a computer, then go and listen on till you get into the next method. You could go and create any types of games. For example, you could go and create an obby game. So this is where you have to go and complete levels, and you can go and sell a pass to go and skip the levels for say 50 Robux. And if someone wants to go and skip a level, they have to go and buy this pass, and then they can. And that's how you can make money, and there's so much other things you can add as well. So let's go and jump into the second way of making Robux, and this is by selling clothing. I know this is quite a popular talked about way, and I have got more different ways later in this video, but it's such a classic easy one. You can do this on a mobile device as well, as you can go and design on your phone, which is really good as well. One thing which does have to be noted though is to go and list a piece of clothing on Roblox. It does cost 10 Robux. You are going to have to invest a bit in order to make some back, and of course there is no guaranteed way of getting sales either in Roblox. So you've got to go and design something people actually want. But there you go, selling clothing is a classic way of going and making Robux on Roblox. Now the third one I want to go and tell you about is entering giveaways. So you can go and enter Robux giveaways. The best way to go and find these is to go onto Twitter, and you can go and search something like Robux giveaway, and then you can go and look at top or the latest tweets, and then you can go and scroll down and go and follow the steps to go and enter these competitions. The steps to go and enter the competition will usually be something like retweeting it, following the user, and also go maybe and liking the tweet as well, but you'll need to follow them precisely. Do watch out for any scam giveaways as well, as there are lots out there. Now the fourth step is actually going and trading. It's a really common thing in Roblox. You are going to need premium for this, but once you have premium, you can then go and trade on Roblox. You do need to be quite skilled at this, so it's definitely not for everyone, but it's definitely worth trying if you enjoy it. The fifth way of making Robux is to go and sell GFX. So you can go and draw Roblox characters, create group emblems, and then you can go and advertise this on Roblox in groups, or you could go and make a post on Twitter, and then you can go and sell this directly for Robux. You do need to be good at sort of editing or designing, but you can do this really easily. You can use Photoshop, or you can go and use other apps on your mobile device or iPad as well. Honestly, a great way of earning Robux. It does take a bit more work though. The sixth way of making Robux you probably haven't heard of is actually to do with the UGC program. Now the UGC program is all about designing hats on Roblox. So once you join this program, which is very hard to join, you can then go and sell hats, and hats are worth a lot of money on Roblox. The UGC program has only got, I believe, a few hundred members in, so it is quite hard to join, but if you can, you could go and make a ton of Robux, and if you're good at designing, it's a really great place to be. But there we go guys, I hope you did find this video useful. I tried to make it as short as possible, so you can hear all the different ways of making Robux without having to waste so much time listening to people rambling on. If you found this video useful, please go down below, consider leaving a like, subscribing for more. Peace.